Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. This is Liz, and I'll be sharing with you today how you can infuse your water with fruits, herbs, and spices. In minutes, you can transform boring water into a glass of healthy, refreshing, flavored drink. Since not everyone loves to drink plain water, but it is essential for good overall health. Infusing water isn't just about getting more fluids, though it is incredibly important. It can also help you incorporate trace amounts of vitamins and minerals into your diet. Infused water has been around in one form or another for ages. Try this energizing watermelon and jalapeno drink. In this zesty recipe, you'll find juicy watermelon loaded with vitamins A and C, and spicy jalapenos containing capsaicin, which causes the body to release endorphins. That happiness hormone creates an energizing rush. How about blueberry, lemon, and mint water? This supercharged mixture combines the antioxidant power of the blueberries and the vitamin C boost from the lemon with refreshing mint, a carotene-rich aromatic herb. But wait, there's more. Try this cooling and invigorating blend with cucumber, bell pepper, carrot, and ginger. Cucumber has water-soluble vitamin B. Bell pepper and carrot will provide some sweetness to your blend. Ginger is great for clearing up sinuses and soothing the tummy. This is the easiest water to prepare in advance: strawberry and basil. This perfect match of strawberries and basil provides iron from the herb and vitamin C from the berries, which has been linked to fighting cancer, keeping wrinkles at bay, and more. All water infusions will taste stronger the longer the fruit or vegetables are in the water. Giving your water at least an hour to infuse will help ensure it has flavor before you drink. You can also prepare your water the night before and store it in a refrigerator. Water can be infused in many ways. Here are some additional combinations that work well together: orange slices and vanilla bean, blackberries and sage, cucumber slices and lemongrass, pear slices, cinnamon, and vanilla bean, lemon slices and basil, apples and cinnamon, lemon, strawberry, and rosemary, rose, hibiscus, and mint. Try to use fresh herbs for these recipes. If you only have dried herbs, then the infused water will take longer to develop its flavor, so it's best to prepare these the night before. You can also take these drinks and create infused water ice cubes. Simply place some mint leaves, edible flowers, and small fruits like raspberries in your ice cube tray. Then fill it up with your infused water. Freeze solid, then add the ice cubes to your favorite drink whenever you like. So if plain water isn't going to cut it for you, why not jump on the infused water trend? It's a tasty, healthful way to increase your water intake. I appreciate you watching. Good day and good health.